Hello everyone, welcome back to Getting Started with Angular course. In this chapter, we will be looking at component lifecycle hooks. Let's begin. What is component lifecycle hooks in first place? Basically, different functions are executed from the component side on different stages. Like when component is instantiated, one function call. Before component is getting removed from the DOM, it calls one lifecycle hook. This lifecycle hooks will give you a provision to execute your particular code at particular stage. So let's look at those lifecycle hooks and we will understand where these lifecycle hooks can be used. ng-on changes. This lifecycle hook fire when input property change. ng-on init. This lifecycle hook gets called when component is instantiated. If you want to initialize some variables or maybe you want to make an AJAX call based on component is loaded, so you can put those kind of function calls in ng-on init. ng-do-check. ng-do-check hook is little bit different. It always call after ng-on init or ng-on changes. ng-content view init. This lifecycle hooks call exactly after ng-do-check and when the content projection is done. ng-after content checked lifecycle hook will be called after ng-content view init is executed as well as after ng-do-check. ng-after view init. So this called exactly after ng-after content check, but also each component has its own template. So when that template gets added into the DOM, exactly after that ng-after view init hook will be called. Suppose you want to manipulate a DOM or attach an event to a DOM manually, you can put your code in ng-after view init lifecycle hook. ng-after view checked. This will be calling exactly after ng-after view init lifecycle hook. ng-on destroy. This component lifecycle hook will be called when your component is getting removed from the DOM. This is exactly opposite of ng-on init. You can write a teardown logic in ng-on destroy. For example, unsubscribing to the subscription or clearing timeout or set interval or unbinding a manual events that you have binded on a DOM. So these are the component lifecycle hooks that exist in Angular.